If you've been looking for a sewing machine with more advanced features, but still want something approachable to use at home, this one has a lot built into it.
It arrives neatly packaged, and it comes with a pretty complete setup right out of the box, including the extension table, presser feet, bobbins, tools, and other accessories to get started. The extension table gives you a much larger work surface, which helps a lot for larger sewing projects and quilting. And the machine has an LCD display with built-in stitch selections and controls laid out clearly on the front. The threading path is labeled clearly as well, and it also has a built-in needle threader to make setup that much easier. Once everything is threaded, it runs smoothly and feeds fabric through evenly while sewing. It includes a large variety of stitch options, so you can switch between basic sewing, decorative stitching, and more detailed projects. You can control the sewing speed directly on the machine, and it also has a start and stop button if you don't want to use the foot pedal. Now, you do have to unplug the foot pedal for this feature to work. Plus, it has a reverse sewing function, which helps reinforce stitches at the beginning and end of seams. The needle up and down positioning helps when pivoting fabric or turning corners, and it also handles thicker fabric well, including layered denim. The one-step buttonhole function helps simplify more detailed sewing projects, and the free arm setup makes it easier to sew things like sleeves or pant hems. The built-in light helps keep the sewing area visible while working, and it also includes useful accessories and built-in storage to keep everything together.
So if you want a sewing machine with a lot of built-in features that also provides room to grow for different projects, this is a really versatile machine.